Looking for a powerful solution to repair corrupted JPEG images? If yes, download the BitRecover JPEG Repair Wizard Converter software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Click on Select a Folder button and select folder that contain corrupted JPG file. Select Files and Folder for repairing. Here you can see the files that contain by folder. Click on Repair button to start the repair process. Click on Folder-like icon to save the repaired JPG images. Click on Next button to start the process. Conversion completed successfully. Click on OK button. Software repair 5 files and put water and trial edition.